Jojalapa, Newa language learning, chapter 47, SMS for girlfriend or wife. Please remember Apple technologies for website designing, web application development, and software development. Number 1. Your eyes are just too beautiful. Changu, mikha, sikka, bala. Changu, mikha, sikka, bala. Once again, Changu, mikha, sikka, bala. Changu, mikha, sikka, bala. Number 2. Your lips are just too beautiful. Changu, mutusi, mutsi or mutusi. Changu, mutsi, sikka, bala. Your hair is too beautiful. Son, son. Changu, son, bala. Your hands are just too beautiful. La, la. Changu, la, sikka, bala. Your nose is beautiful. Nhyae, nhyae. Changu, nhyae, bala. Your hands are just too beautiful. La. Sorry, this is repeated. Changu, la, sikka, bala. Next number. Your fingers are just too beautiful. Pateeh, pateeh. Changu, pateeh, sikka, bala. You have beautiful cheeks. Nhyata, nhyata. Changu, nhyata, bala. Your legs are just too beautiful. Tuti, tuti. Changu, tuti, sikka, bala. Your face is beautiful. Changu, khwa. Face means khwa. Changu, khwa, bala. Subha,